Back guys, welcome back to my channel Crypto Mystery Cash, and for today I will represent a one more important project. But first, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell and like if you want. Just beat the step with the channel because I made almost every day videos with how to make money with cryptocurrencies. For today's project, I I I, I have already made a video about this platform, but after 5 days this platform still pays. As you can see, have totally when I started have only 2000 users for for 4 days or 5. Now it's 12,000. As you can see, this miner have already paid uh, 241 Bitcoin. But never mind, you can invest in any cryptocurrency you want. Uh, in Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Tron, and USDT. As you can see, just need to add your address and log in. That's it, guys. This is a doubler. As you can see, uh, this is my profile. I have total deposits from 393 TRX, and I totally withdraw 586. But how it's all started, this is my old deposits. As you can see, my first deposit was just 30 TRX, and I have been paid 60 for one day. After that, after that, from 30 TRX, I made 60. After that, I put the 60 TRX and I made 120. As you can see, the deposit is closed. After that, I deposited 150 and 53 TRX. As you can see, this platform pays me uh, this platform pays me uh, 306 TRX. I double my TRX in just one day. This is all the money I earned from this platform. I started with 30 TRX. After that, the 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 fourth deposit was 50 TRX. I get 100, and my last is 100, and I'm waiting to be paid 200 TRX. This is all money from the platform. I just invested. All started with this 30 TRX. With 30 TRX, I earned all these amounts of TRX. This is approximately, and today's withdraw will be approximately 700. Let's go to my trust wallet just to see my payments, because I will tell you why. As you can see, this is my last deposit. This is what they paid last. before that, not it's not this, 100, this is 100, then this is the 306 payment from that platform. This is the 120, and this is my first deposit with which I started, and after that they pay me this 60, and so on and so on, as you can see here: 30 TRX, 60, 100 and 53, 50, 100, and this is my payments double, as you can see. But the 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 most important thing and interesting thing in this platform, as you can see, there is no withdraw button. As you can see, after 24 hours, when you make a deposit, as you can see, success. After this deposit will close like this, will appear here in my payouts, and will write waiting. Here the whole process is automated. As you can see, the platform pays you from itself. It's fully automatic. Automated. The process is fully automated. This is good thing because you have deal with the machine, not the some admin in manual mode who decides to pay or not, as you can see. But I will tell you where is the withdraw. Wait, where is the withdraw question? As you can see, in the process of automated payment processing, the order takes no more than 3 hours, but I never waited more than 15 minutes, guys. This is the very good platform. Don't lose this chance. As you can see, the minimum deposit, it's $2, guys, or 30 TRX. I don't know in the other cryptocurrencies, but for Litecoin it's 0.02. But the most important thing, just to be sure this platform will continue to pay, goes to statistics and check this. This is the most important, the payouts. Is if this number rises, that's mean this platform continue to pay. And then go to the last payouts. As you can see, follow the last payouts. If this platform pays, you will see here new payouts. If before you deposit, see here for 5 or 10 minutes, if appear a new payment, that mean the platform still pays. Because this kind of sites or platform don't last long. So be careful, guys. I recommend it. I make money with this platform, but I don't believe this platform will will last long than a month or something. Just hurry, make your money double in 24 hours. Start with little like me and make some profit, guys. I highly recommended this platform. As you can see, as you can see, I have already made with today's payment. It will be 786 tier X. That's it, guys. For all, hurry up, try your luck, and I will put link in description, also in the comment section. Just just to be sure, if this platform uh, stops paying me, I will make a video or uh, write a comment. Uh, because of that, uh, please subscribe just to see the new video if this platform stops paying. And that's it, guys. Beat the step with the channel and beat the step with the channel. Please subscribe and good luck, guys. I recommend this platform and hurry up, guys. This platform is it's online just 1 week. I give to this platform no more than 3 weeks. But be careful. Go to statistics and follow the statistics, guys. Just to know this platform pays or not. Just follow this number is if it's growing, and here the last payouts. Follow the last payouts. Don't deposit if this number don't move for 10 minutes or 15. That's it, guys. For now, thanks and see ya.